All right, this is our topic 14 review, patterns. This first question, what is the rule for the number patterns below? So I'm going to look at this first one. I start by knowing that my rule can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, right? If the numbers go up, it's got to be one of these. If the numbers go down, it's going to be one of these. So that's just a good way to start my thinking. So here, 90, 80, 70, 60, they go down. I know for this one, it's got to be subtraction or division. I'm going to start by looking at the first one. I think addition and subtraction are easier, so I like to start there. How do I get from 90 to 80 with subtraction? I subtract 10. So I'm going to jot that down, and I'm like, okay, I think the rule might be minus 10. Next, I check. Is 80 minus 70 the same thing? It is. 70 minus 60 is also minus 10. So my rule is minus 10. Really, we should be writing this in a word. So the rule is subtract 10. Okay. Again, my first step is to look. Is this going down or up? 400, 210, 150 goes down. It must be subtraction or division. So I'm going to start with subtraction. 400 minus blank is 200. That would be minus 200. All right, is that minus 200? Yes. Is this minus 200? No, that is not my rule because 200 minus 200 would be 0. So that doesn't make sense. Now I want to be thinking division. So I know my rule is going to be divide, and I need to figure out by what? 400 divided by blank equals 200. Well, I know, well, I'm going to skip that. What if I don't know this? Or I'm having trouble figuring it out? I can reverse this. 200 times blank equals 400. Well, 200 times 2. So my rule would be divide 2. And I can double check. 200 divided by 2 is 100, or 100 times 2 is 200. 100 divided by 2 is 50. All right, same thinking. Down here, I'm going to figure out, is it addition, multiplication, division, or subtraction? 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. It's going up. It's got to be addition or multiplication. I'm going to check addition first. 4 plus what is 7? 4 plus 3. So I'm thinking the rule might be plus 3. Does that work here also? 7 plus 3 is 10. Yes. 10 plus 3 is 13. Yep. My rule is add 3.